We all know AI is a game changer for a variety of different industries, and I'm going to focus specifically on healthcare, oncology, and medical device. And these are the three companies that I've interacted with, well, at least two of them, and feel like they're a game changer for better patient care, better patient outcomes, which we're all looking for that. Excited to dig in and share these three companies with you right now. These are the three companies that, in my opinion, are game changing when it comes to leveraging the power of AI, specifically in healthcare. And we're going to focus on three different companies. This one that I've got up on the screen here is related to medical device companies. And if everybody knows, most people do know that diabetes is one of the leading causes of death in the United States, along with cancer. But this specifically one, medical device, is a game changer when it comes to using the power of AI. So they have an AI screening tool that ophthalmologists, endocrinologists, a lot of other HCPs can leverage for disease conditions to determine if a patient may have retinopathy, which again, for diabetes, the screening levels are really low. I've interacted with this company. There's such a need for a company like this that's leveraging the power of AI to help, right? HCPs really understand if a person has glaucoma, has retinopathy, and it's the sidekick, the trusty sidekick, as I mentioned before. And if you've seen other game changing AIs, these are just some of the companies that I've come across over the last few months. But in the comment section below, feel free to drop some other medical device companies that you've felt and you've seen that are also leveraging AI into their workflow process. And I would love to hear more about it. The other companies, specifically in oncology, they had a major announcement that just happened at ASCO just a few months ago. This is one of the first generation AI enabled tools to really help when it comes to a clinical assistant for oncology, right? So if you're a medical oncologist, you're an oncologist, this is a game changer for you to help. There's so many people that are getting cancer. And as we all know, it's unfortunate, but this AI tool, Tempest One, is a groundbreaking one. Also, this company, Tempest Lab, continues to develop innovative solutions in the oncology space. So check them out when you get a chance. And then the third and final one is specifically around a major player in the pharmaceutical industry. And we all know them too. It's Eli Lilly. Major market value of $420 billion. They have the blockbuster treatments when it comes to diabetes and also cancer. And their CEO, and just like a lot of us, specifically around, let's get him up here on the screen. So David Ricks, he feels that AI is one of the leading changes in the industry for technology and says so in this article. And by the way, I'll include links to each one of these companies in the notes description below so you can check those out. But he's showcasing three ways specifically. Eli Lilly, again, the major pharmaceutical company, wants to use AI. And specifically, it's pretty interesting. One of the ways that he's going to be able to do it is through obviously drug development, which is kind of a no-brainer. But the other one, when he was breaking it down here, specifically into productivity of the workplace. They have a massive amount of people, and if you can make your thousands and thousands of employees much more productivity wise, like, it's going to really change the workplace massively. So if this video has been helpful, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Look forward to bringing you more groundbreaking information about AI companies. And again, I would love to hear if you've got any other AI companies that you've worked with and seen out there that's changing the landscape for better patient care. Bye for now.